Within the past 30 minutes, testimony in the day 5 of the Lori Vallow Daybell's murder conspiracy trial wrapped up in court. She's already been convicted of killing her kids in Idaho, and now she's standing trial in Arizona for conspiring to kill her former husband, Charles Vallow. Erica Stapleton from our sister station in Phoenix has been inside the courtroom for this entire trial. Erica, what were some of the big moments today?
You know, Hunter, a lot of big moments, as we've already seen from week 1 here. This was another day, another packed courtroom as people clamor to really get inside and get a look at Lori Vallow Daybell representing herself. You know, we had a lot of bombshell witnesses last week, especially toward the end of that first week of the trial. Today, we had a series of witnesses, and today it was also a little more technical. We started with the medical examiner who confirmed that Charles Vallow's cause of death was 2 bullet wounds. It was Vallow Daybell's brother, Alex Cox, who shot and killed Charles Vallow, and she's arguing this was all self-defense. The next witness was a special agent from the Social Security Administration who investigates fraud. The special agent testified that Lori Vallow Daybell was getting roughly $4,000 a month in benefits for herself and her son JJ after Charles died. Part of the state's case is that Lori Vallow Daybell is motivated by money to kill Charles Vallow so she could be with her new husband, Chad Daybell. You can tell that the jury is paying attention with these questions they submitted to the judge.
Were payments to Lori Vallow stopped after your investigation?
They were, yes.
And during your investigation, do you know if Lori Vallow notified Social Security of her new marriage?
She did not.
You said that I did not notify Social Security of my marriage?
Correct?
That you know of?
To my knowledge, you have not? No.
Okay. So you don't know if in Hawaii I was at the Social Security office and notified them?
Sustain. It's, again,
But you're
testifying.
So would you have all of the information from every office in that regard?
From our review of the records, there is no notification at all of you ever notifying Social Security of that marriage.
Of the records that you had access to, is that correct?
From our review of these Social Security databases, which would encompass notifications, we have seen 0 notifications.
That was Lori Vallow Daybell trying to recover from that testimony, which really doesn't make her look good. The jury does not know this, but Vallow Daybell was not only convicted of murder up in Idaho, but of fraud, that she collected benefits on her children's behalf after they were killed. Now, Hunter, that was just one of many witnesses we heard from today. I said today was technical. We also heard from someone who works with the life insurance company that Charles Vallow had a policy for. We heard recordings of Lori Vallow Daybell talking with that person with the life insurance company, including after Lori was notified that she was no longer his beneficiary. We also, at the end of the day, our last witness was a Chandler Police Department detective. We also heard some of her interview with Lori Vallow Daybell after the moments Charles Vallow was killed. So a lot more testimony to come, of course, but that's a wrap for today. I'll send it back to you, Hunter.
Yeah, Erica, a lot going on there. We're streaming on the trial on KTVB Plus daily, and tonight at 8 o'clock, you can catch our show Inside the Courtroom to break down what happened today in the trial. A lot there again. So download it on your TV right now and watch for free.